Brad, today we're going to show the good people out there
Mm-hmm.
3 tests for their painful shoulder.
Yes, and if you don't pass these tests, we're also going to show you what you can do about it to make good progress and feel better.
So stick around.
That's right, 9.3 seconds.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
So, Brad, quite often shoulder pain is caused by tightness.
Mm-hmm.
And so, sorry,
What?
I wanted you to.
I'll do it.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to look at 3 different directions or ranges of motion.
We can do that again, huh?
Oh, we're going to quit?
Should we do it again?
Yeah. Okay.
So, Brad, quite often shoulder pain is caused by shoulder tightness.
So what we're going to do is look at 3 different motions or range of motions, as we call it in the therapy world, and we're going to show you how to take care of it, and we're going to look at the giveaway at the end of the video. Is that correct,
We'll
Bob?
mention it again.
Again,
Right,
okay.
yeah. All right, this will be good because you have a bad shoulder.
That's right,
Brad?
Bob.
So we'll compare left to right. Is your right one is the bad one, right?
No, the right one is the better of the 2.
Oh.
Yeah, but they're both good shoulders. Just one's not as good. I like to be positive.
Bad, that's right. Okay.
So I've got 2 pieces of tape, and I'm going to hold them. And what I'm going to do is face away from the wall. I'm going to reach back with my right shoulder in the plane of extension. So that means I'm not going out to the side, straight behind, and I'm not
good
going
posture.
to. Yep,
Right.
not cheating and going
No
forward.
dipping.
There we go. And I'm going to. You have to be consistent when you do this at home. So with my thumb is where I'm going to place it when I go as high as I can, which is right there. I'm not going forward. Right there. Okay?
Bingo.
Now I'm going to do the same thing with my left shoulder, and I'm going to see where it goes.
Oh my God.
So we've got an obvious range of motion
Right.
discrepancy.
Right.
Right versus left. And now we're going to mark, we could just leave that on there. I've done this with patients at
Right.
home. And they leave it on there.
It's motivating.
Do their exercises for a week, come back and do it again.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll talk about shoulder flexion.
Reaching up.
Right, straight forward.
So again, same idea. Take little pieces of tape. Okay, I'm going to do my right arm first. Now again, you're going to go up as high as you can, but you don't want to cheat like that. Heels, feet, everything locked, good posture, and you reach up as far as you can and take it on there.
Not
And
bad, Brad.
with the other arm, you're going to do the exact same body mechanics. If it's painful, you can't go like this. You just go as far as you can.
Pretty close.
Yeah, so I'm a little bit there. So my
Not as bad as that one.
yeah
Right.
extension is limited, which is not that
That's usual.
yeah
Typical.
yeah. Sometimes it may be the other way. Don't feel bad if you have less
Right.
here. It's the way it is. All right, what's next, Bob?
All right, the final one we're going to check is internal rotation. Brad?
Yep. So reach behind your back.
You need a little help on this one.
Yep. I always tell my patients, put your thumb right on your spine and go straight up as far as you feel comfortable, and then
there we are.
mark it.
Blue on blue.
Yeah. All right, and I'll do the other one. Ugh.
I thought originally it was okay, but it's also limited. It's missing about 2 inches.
Oh, is it really?
Yep.
Because I'm getting a cramp on my left shoulder doing that. Whoa.
All right, now we'll show what to do about it if you're lacking.
I'm a lackey.
So quite often when you regain the motion, Brad,
Mhm.
the pain goes down.
Right.
So we'll start with shoulder extension.
Okay.
All right?
So,
And you call this rowing, right?
yeah. No. Paddling.
Paddling.
Rowing is
I always,
with a boat.
I always get that wrong.
Paddling is with a canoe. So, yeah, we go like this. Now, you can use, like we have
buoy
here,
stick,
a mop handle, broom handle,
Broomstick.
whatever.
PVC pipe.
Needs to be 4 to 5 feet long. Depends how tall you are. Short people, 4 feet. Long,
And
taller
maybe
people,
10
5.
times, 6 to 10 times.
Yep. So the idea is don't let it go out to the side. It needs to go straight behind you. If this creates sharp pain in your shoulder, do not push through that pain.
Right.
You might tear something. You just go when it starts to hurt, then back off. If it feels like a good stretch, like it's stretching, but it's not really bad, then you can work it. And after 2 or 3 stretches, if it goes better with less pain, you know things are going
And
well.
how often, Brad?
Oh, this?
Right.
If after an hour or 2 and it didn't get sore and it's like, oh, it feels a little bit better, I would do that every 1 to 2 hours
Sure.
throughout the day. If
Good
it's
4 to 6 times.
if it's the first time you've done it, probably 2 or 3 times a day.
Yeah, the first day.
See how it feels the next day. You don't want to start up
Fire
something.
things up.
Yep. So start out gradually the first day or 2.
All right, next we'll show you flexion.
Flexion. I'm going to flex.
So for this next one, Brad came up with the name.
This is a Statue of Liberty,
Right.
and you'll see why in just a second here.
So you could do it sitting or you could do it standing.
Right.
Right. So you reach your arm up as far as you can go,
Mm-hmm.
maybe walk it up,
Yep.
and then you lean forward and you feel some decompression on your shoulder.
Yep. So I'm doing it here with the mop, which works fairly well because a mop actually sticks to the ground well. It gives you something to pivot on if you got a pivoting head. Now, if I needed to go higher than this, which I do, I'm going to put the mop here on the chair like Bob is doing. But obviously, this doesn't fit in there very well. I'll use
Right.
the other end, and this slides around on the chair. So just simply take a shoe, put it there, put that in there, and that allows it to stick. And there you go. You can always modify and make things work.
So I've had patients really like this one because you could see the progress.
Right. Now again, no sharp pain with this. Take your time with it the first day. See how it goes the next day. And as you get better progress and you know it's not going to flare it up. Then
Again, you can do it every few hours if you want.
Exactly. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I used this once on a young 13-year-old pitcher. He needed that overhead range of motion, and it really, that was a Statue of Liberty moment.
That was it,
That
huh?
was it. He was
Came
playing
into your head.
baseball, apple pie, and Statue of Liberty.
There we go. All right, the final one, Brad. You want to show it?
Sure. This one is to improve this motion going up your back with your thumb as we did initially. If you got a stick, it's nice to have that 4 or 5 foot long stick. A smooth one, you can use, again, anything that works for you. I'm going to show you at the Booyah stick. Place it in front of you. This is just so that you can get to it easier. Put your thumb. This is the arm that needs to be stretched. So you take your good arm shoulder, the good shoulder, thumb down and grab it like this. Then lift it up, go over the top, so it goes to your back like that. So again, grab here, here. The other hand, palm away from your body.
Gotcha.
Grab the stick here, and all we're going to do, if it's tight, we're going to start here, and we're just going to go up and down like this. Stretch. Oh, back down. Stretch. Again, do this 5 to 10 times. Take it easy the first time. See how it responds. If it feels good the next day, do it some more. No sharp pain, just that stretch pain is all. And you can see how you can get this to come up, and it works very well. The old, what do we call this one in? The chicken wing.
Chicken wing, right, when you go out.
Yeah, we make our own names up, so.
All right, next toy giveaway.
The giveaway. Excellent.
Okay, what is our giveaway this week, Brad?
Well, Bob, it's exciting. We have a Sleepovation mattress of your choice for the size. And
a foam mattress?
This is like the cornucopia. This is the big deal. You know, if you get one of these coming to your house, you're going to be very happy and restful.
Yep.
Not restless, restful.
Yeah. Painless.
I have a hard time getting out of bed in the morning with mine because I'm very grateful.
Sounds good.
Mhm.